Hello everyone, this is Umar back with another video, and today's video is all about Google Alerts, which is a content change detection and notification services offered by Google. It's completely free to use, and what it does is basically sends out an email whenever it finds new results for your search query, word or phrase, right? So it just basically crawls the whole web, newspaper articles, blogs, or scientific research, and notifies you about your search term. So how you can use it, basically just go to google.com/alerts and you will be presented with this page, and you can set alerts for anything, right? So let's suppose I want to be notified whenever the link building is mentioned. So it will show all of the results whenever the word link building is mentioned on the web, right? So but the problem here is basically it's not searching for the exact word link building. It is also searching for the word link and building separately. So if you want to make it exact match, just put quote unquote link building, and it will show you all the results. And you can see here link building is specifically mentioned in each of these articles, right? And just hit create alert and it will do the rest. But the point is, you can even go further and create alerts for specific regions or specific languages. Let's suppose you are not working in English language, you can just change the language here and change the region as well. And select your own email here, and it will show you and it will send you the email alerts every single day. And you can also change how often you want to receive these emails, once a week, once a day, or as it happens, right? I use it in a creative way for my link building campaign. So for example, if you are managing a brand mentions campaign for a website or for a brand, you can just put that brand name here and just create alert. So every time that brand is mentioned online, you can just check it and see if it's unlinked. You can just reach out to the webmaster or the content editor or editor in chief and just ask them to link to your own website. So that's it. Let me know if you have any other use cases in mind, and if you find it interesting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.